Me no ka say one hot person ono so na so ye pa Paul Adom Otchere. Now, Paul Adom Otchere said earlier this year, he was arrested by the Office of the Special Prosecutor because during the Akufo-Addo administration, Paul Adom Otchere was appointed as one of the board chair at the Ghana Airport Security, the Ghana Airport Limited. Now, in there, we are learning say there was a particular contractor course where Paul Adom Otchere not nisa ewumubi and contract influence in picking the company, and I say contract and kedebe my company ebe awarded to that particular company. He was pivotal in making sure that company got that contract. And in law, if any quid pro quo, we mammy may we amount according to OSP Papa no and Paul Adom Otchere Ekojenika. So they arrested Paul Adom Otchere, Yoko arrested him. OSP also arrested him, and ultimately, they discharged and I said, you believe, But then the issue here was simple. Paul Adom Otchere, bill conditions no dinkakra because you see on declare the properties, on declare, state properties in the more and one of the conditions for him to actually meet the bill requirements was for him to use his house or describe it to us. Okay, Sisika say and also no ni fie ba ko or the be as to meet the bill requirements. But then ultimately, on the same betu just only fee if your team cran and the employer asked and said what is really going on, and there are other people too at the back almost they believe say, and according to the news, say Paul Adom Otchere has a lot of houses. He's just trying to play smart. And if he fools the state to go and seize these particular properties. In aid of this, that's already OSP Edin Simbia Babetuja said this same Paul Adom Otchere is now suing the OSP. Adenya or see OSP or need to me say OSP need to me so baby say on declare the assets and into a court. Now OSP in same be Abetuja together with Inkrata, but then yen share in sema OSP dia Abetuja. In fact, since some of the Betuja and the 28th of October 2025. Into ye share some of the Abetuja or their Tuja and ye share new year near share the official press release or their Tuja explaining what is really going on and also the details in regards with this particular thing that the air course. So you read the air screens no so or say former Ghana Airports Company board chairman Paul Adom Otchere has filed. This is coming from the Office of the Special Prosecutor, as you can see on your screens. Or say the former Ghana Airports Company board chairman Paul Adom Otchere has filed an application at the High Court seeking to squash a directive by the Office of the Special Prosecutor (OSP) ordering him to declare his property and income. His lawyers, led by former Attorney General Godfred, argued that the directive issued on the 4th of August 2025 is unlawful, violates the Office of the Special Prosecutors Act 2017, Act 959, and its regulations and constitutes an abuse of power. It's the Paul Adom Otchere, okay? Argue to his lawyer. The lawyer near former Attorney General Godfred Dame. Omo argue said directive OSP edibe to just say Paul Adom Otchere undeclare the assets. Paul Adom Otchere undeclare the income, scar or on the bank account. Because for this investigation to commence, you will see who say okay, Paul Adom Otchere sika here na bank account. So then we measure is okay. Uye Juma as host of Good Evening Ghana. O salary 6,000, 8,000 Ghana cedis. Yeah, the allowance crack were 10,000. Now you have excess of 20 million Ghana cedis in your account. Where did you get that money? Oh, I have other business. Other business now one scanner for records. Let's audit that business. You say scanner when you legit or not. And now say contracts now Ghana Airports Company Limited. Now. So this directive was issued for Paul Adom Otchere to declare his assets on the 5th August 2025. And now Paul Adom Otchere, a lawyer who is the former Attorney General, say this particular directive a fee OSP Horban are unlawful because OSP Act 2017 it prohibits the OSP from getting to know and using subpoenas. Say will force you be legally by law to know the amount of money I will need bank accounts, the amount of money I will need apart from the amount of money I will need bank account, and also the amount of properties are nipane per the Special Prosecutors Act 2017 it is unlawful. And also almost pass a court onkai oman ento amanse name say OSP the all or abuse power. His powers. Now, you share the second one now, and I'm sema or the two are seeing. Or say, Adom Otchere, who is under investigation by the OSP for suspected corruption and also corruption-related offences in the award of a revenue assurance contract by the Ghana Airports Company Limited to Everthes Limited, is seeking several reliefs from the court. These include a declaration that the OSP's directive and alleged threats of legal consequences, confiscation, and detention are unlawful and amount to harassment. So now Paul Adom Otchere is also telling the court, say, courts no mon share the OSP and OSP ache no OSP edna to ho money bill no so and high OSP say on declare the assets on fan sika wenye bia on fan bra ne nhwe properties we wo bia on throw kratas ne nhwem. Also all of these things are abuse of power and need to know person court and dia asem na court no engine to me say no OSP wa abuse Paul Adom Otchere. And aside from that too osiki a whole lot of things reliefs say ye man iska ye man in patasika say I don't know patasika na openo. Okay, but one of them no should be say OSP no on jai Paul Adom Otchere or tartan because it's unlawful and also it amounts to harassment. Shut down. He is also asking for an order prohibiting the OSP from detaining him further, so he refused to declare his property and income to the office by the stated deadline, among other relief. You see, an Patch say now no courts and bim now on stopping OSP no from actually getting to know or no Paul Adom Otchere in the properties in the income. And even if Paul Adom Otchere refused to declare his income, there was a law no Emma Hukwan say OSP no ultimate chip Paul Adom Otchere because we refuses to declare the income, because we refuses to declare the assets. According to him, no, these things no it doesn't make sense. You know, even posted a copy, OSP officer posted a copy of the whole year or show on the screen. So I'll say this case between applicants or Paul Adom Otchere versus and the office of the special prosecutor. So this is the whole thing which is going on between Paul Adom Otchere now contractor Ghana Airports Company time and Paul Adom Otchere or da no as one of the butchers no awarded to Everthes sin who boom 20 million or so dollar contract no papa ni nimu because for chain Everthes for ekodin komo he influenced the award of contract to Everthes no science no is currently under investigation. Paul Adom Otchere so ni motion yes still he says so OSP what the akoko say on declare the assets on no Paul Adom Otchere property be on declare and also CKB on the bank account be on declare no Paul Adom Otchere through his lawyer Godfred, the former Attorney General Patch say unlawful and cause to stop these things because Paul Adom Otchere is never ever going to declare the assets. So that is exactly what is really going on. You've spoken a lot. Thank you so much. But interested we read some few comments na see so comment abano if Melody Mumba or say hi to you too. If Idris Nasi also say hi. And if Kweku Edward or say this, there is no logic in okay, so there's a logic in the caption because your friend is saying story now about a different story because we're doing live, but the airplane helicopter crash is Seaman for 11 and a lot of stories and they are boom. So you see a lot of captions, titles a boom. There's logic in it. And away if you Kweku Edward, also there's no okay. And as I Kweku Edward now kase, Sisiane ye kase. NDC allow Chinese phone. YMBC who say Gihor, Canry, any all of these companies, you know, why were those sold? And we so according to Kweku Edward, I said it was sold because Ghana for they mismanaged it and Chinese were infiltrated our system. That is his view. And Muzu Nicholas or say helicopter crash when so helicopter crash happened in Kenya in 11 12 be a German for hungry for any idea. So that is exactly what is really going on. Thank you so much for joining us today right here on this particular platform. See you again tomorrow as we bring our life right here to you same time tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching.